Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI A9 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So firstly, let's open the camera and let me show you the evidence that the reset options will work. So let me turn on the grid lines, which are here. Let me turn them on. As you can see, they are applied to the camera, so actually I can show you how to reset them. So let's enter the settings in the right upper corner and scroll down to the very bottom. Let's tap on Restore Settings. And your device is asking you if you really want to do it, so simply tap on OK. And I know that it looks like actually nothing happened, nothing changed, but let's take a look at the grid line. As you can see, they are not activated anymore, so this is the first sign that the reset option worked. And after getting back to the camera, you cannot see the helper lines, you cannot see the grid lines, so it means that we successfully reset all camera settings. So actually that's all. This is how to restore camera settings in your UMIDIGI A9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.